Good evening, students. I am teaching intermediate first year ma trigonometric chapter. Okay, so exercise third exercise ma problem number 5. If a plus b is equal to pi by 4, pi means how much ma? 180. 180 by 4. 180 by 4 is how much? 45. Then prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2 ma. Okay, how we can prove? So first given a plus b is equal 1 by 5 by 4. A plus b is equal 5 by 4. Apply the tan ratio on the both sides. That is here tan of a plus b is equal tan of 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 is how much ma? 45. Tan 45 is how much? 1. So that is here tan of a plus b is equal to 1. So tan of a plus b, what the formula? Tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal 1. Okay, here the 1 minus tan a plus tan b ma. Okay, 1 minus tan a into tan b. Here it is divided. This divide is going to right side what happen? Multiple. That is here tan a plus tan b is equal 1 of 1 minus tan a into tan b. So 1 is multiplied with anything, we get the same. So that is here tan a plus tan b is equal 1 minus tan a into tan b. So minus tan a tan b comes to what happen? Plus. So tan a plus tan b minus tan a tan b left side come, it is become plus. So plus tan a tan b is equal 1. So here what the question ma? Prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2 ma. So take the LHS. Take LHS. What the LHS? 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. Here the product of two terms, how there are multiple? The first term, first expression, how many terms are there? All the terms is multiply the second expression. Here that is here 1 of 1 plus tan b plus tan a of 1 plus tan b. So 1 is multiplied with anything, get the same. That is 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into tan b, tan b. So by using the distributive property, a of b plus c is equal a into b plus a into c. That is tan a into 1, tan a plus tan a into tan b, tan a into tan b. Here we know that tan a plus tan b plus tan a into tan b is how much more? 1. That is here 1 plus, in the plus of tan b plus tan a plus tan a into tan b, we can write as 1. 1 plus 1, 2. That is equal RHS. So LHS is equal RHS. Okay ma? So this is the proof. Next one, second one. If a plus b is equal to 5 by 4, so here apply the cot ratio on the both sides. That is here cot of a plus b is equal cot of 5 by 4. So cot of a plus b formula is what ma? Cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. So cot 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is how much? 45. Cot 45 is how much? 1. So here cot a plus cot b divide. It is going to result out of an multiple. Cot a cot b minus 1 is equal cot a plus cot b. Okay. So here minus 1 is going to result out of an plus. So cot a cot b minus cot a minus cot b is equal plus 1. So here what is given? That prove that cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1. Here the two expressions are multiple. Okay, so take LHS, then prove that RHS. So cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1. So here the two terms of the first expression is multiply the second expression. That is here cot a into cot b minus cot a minus cot b minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So in the place of cot a cot b minus cot a cot b is how much more? 1. That is 1 plus 1, that is equal 2. So LHS is equal RHS. Therefore, hence proved. Problem number 6 ma. If sin alpha is equal 1 by root 10, sin beta is equal 1 by root 5 and alpha comma beta are acute, show that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so here sin alpha acute angles now. Acute angles means the angles are below 90 degrees. The angles are below 90 degrees now. That means in the first quadrant all the ratios are positive. Okay, here sin alpha is equal to 1 by root 10 now. Okay, so 1 by root 10 means opposite by hypotenuse root 10. Okay. A, B, C. It is alpha. It is okay. Sin alpha, that is how much ma? Opposite by hypotenuse. What about adjacent? What about adjacent? Adjacent, how you can find? By using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, by using the Pythagoras triplet, hypotenuse side square is equal to side square plus side square. Here let us take it is the x. Okay, so square root of 10 whole square. That is how much ma? Square root cancel 10. That is 10 minus 1, 9. So x square is equal to 9. X is equal to 3 more. Okay, so adjacent is how much ma? 3. So here given sin alpha is equal 1 by root 10. So from this diagram cos alpha is equal here root 3 by 3 by root 10. 3 by root 10. Next so beta, sin beta is how much ma? 1 by root 5. That is 1 by root 5. Here root 5 whole square is equal to 1 square plus x square. Square square cancel 5. 5 minus 1 4. So that is adjacent is how much? 2. So sin beta is equal 1 by root 5. Cos beta is equal adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 2 by root 5. Okay, so here so tan of alpha plus beta. Okay, they asking that proof that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. So tan alpha plus beta is equal tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So tan alpha means sin alpha by cos alpha. That means 1 by root 10 by 3 by root 10. So denominator having fraction is become reciprocal. Root 10 cancel. What the remaining here? 1 by 3 plus tan beta, that means sin beta by cos beta, that is we can get as 1 by 2 minus 1 by tan alpha 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, so here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 ma. Here we can do that cross multiple. 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 3 3 2 3 ja 6 1 minus 1 1 ja 1 3 2 ja 6. Here 1 is a whole number. 2 plus 3 5 by 6. Here 6 minus 1 okay 5 by 6. Numerator is 5 by 6, denominator is 5 by 6, its value is 1. So here tan of alpha plus beta is equal to 1. In tan ratio, which angle you can get the 1? That is pi by 4. That is here tan of alpha plus beta is equal tan pi by 4. So tan ratio is cancelled. That is alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. So they are asking that show that alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 4. That is how much more alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 4. So therefore hence proved. How you can prove? By taking the tan ratio in left side. Okay, so alpha plus beta we take the tan ratio, that is tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Tan alpha means sin alpha by cos alpha, that is 1 by root 10 by 3 by root 10. So the denominator of fraction is become reciprocal. So when it is reciprocal, root 10 cancel, that is 1 by 3. Similarly 1 by 2. Okay, find tan of 5 by 4 plus a in terms of tan m. So here tan of 5 by 4 plus a. So it is in the form of tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b form is what? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. That is 1 minus tan tan 5 by 4 plus tan a by 1 minus tan 5 by 4 into tan a. So tan 5 by 4, tan 5 by 1. So 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. Okay, so tan of pi by 4 plus a is 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. Okay, next cot of pi by 4 plus a. So that is here cot of a plus b. It is in the form of cot of a plus b. That is cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. So that is here cot pi by 4 cot a minus 1 by cot pi by 4 plus cot a. Cot pi by 4, its value is 1. So that is here 1 into cot a minus 1 by 1 plus cot a. So that is here cot a minus 1 by 1 plus cot a. So cot of pi by 4 plus a we can write in the terms of cot a, that is cot a minus 1 by 1 plus cot a.